Hello everyone, welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a TikTok face tracker effect in Premiere Pro. So first of all, make sure you have all these three right here. To get all these three, which is basically your ruler, your guides, and your margins, go here to your plus sign and just drag and drop them right here. This is what you will need. Make sure to turn this on and make sure to go to the video and zoom in on the video just a little bit to get we need to zoom in because you will see what we're going to get later down the line. So make sure to zoom in. Pretty much that is good, right? I would say that is pretty much good. And now what you will need to do is we'll need to go to effects and go to transform, drag and drop transform right here. Go to the effects control, and here on transform you will have a position. So click on the position, make sure it's on the left side right here. And now what you will need to do is you will need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames, and then you will need to basically position the video right here to be in front of her face, right? And then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then again you will need to do the same, right? This again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again do the same. This is going to be a very tedious task, but it will be worth it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, again you just center it, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then again center it. So I will not do the whole video, but this is basically how the effect is going to look like if we just go here, right? So this is basically how it looks like, right? Obviously it will look a little bit different when you have more frames, right? But this is basically how to add a TikTok face tracker effect in Premiere Pro. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.